Mantisa. Mantisa is the value that one reads from the mathematical tables. In logarithms. Tables. It is in decimal form. Then sometimes we don't have to work always with the numbers between 1 and 10. Suppose the question that we had was to find the logarithm of 21.84. The first thing you need to do, because always logarithm tables gives the numbers, the range of numbers between 1 and 10. So you have to write this number in standard form, and therefore 21.84 can be written in standard form as 2.184 times 10 to the power 1. Already we have managed to change that big number that is not written in mathematical tables to a number that you can be able to check its value from the mathematical table. The power of 10, after expressing that number in a standard form, is known as characteristic. And therefore, in this case, 1 that is the power of 10 is characteristic. And therefore we can say the log of 21.84 is a combination of the characteristic, and therefore we write it as 1.1. The characteristic comes first, and then you read the Mantisa from the mathematical tables, which is 3393. So here we can say the logarithm always comprises of the characteristic, which is a whole number, which can be negative or positive, followed by a Mantisa that is in decimal form. Characteristic and Mantisa. The decimal part of logarithm is known as Mantisa. And the whole number of a logarithm derived from standard form index of 10 is known as characteristic. So characteristics is index of 10, find x of 10 when written in standard form. When the number is written in a standard form. I just want to work with an example, and my example will be find the logarithm of 21.84. Solution: we write this number in standard form, and therefore 21.84 becomes 2.184 times 10 to the power 1. The power of 10, which is equal to 1, is the characteristic. Then, after we have finished with the characteristics, because now we have gotten it by expressing that number in standard form, then we go to the mathematical tables, where we are going to look for the decimal part of the logarithm.